Look at that, y'all. I done hit bad potholes and messed up both low control arms. It's cold out here, man. Poor me. Poor me. Alright, so we're giving my car a good cleaning. Nice cleaning. It's filthy. Come in. Alright, y'all. Two car seats in the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yo, it was filthy back here, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Let me move Mr. Teddy back. He let us strap his Teddy right here, man. It is what it is, but watch this. That sound like me, right? That's crazy. Come on, these niggas putting purple stuff on my car? I ain't gonna lie, Power Black Watch about to be lit. So until then, y'all can pull up here if y'all want. In Brooklyn, man. They do decent work. They're not bad. That's happening, man. Yeah, man. I'm just here eating this chocolate. I have fixed my car. Low control arms on both sides, bro. These New York potholes is no joke, son. I'm eating these chocolates right here, man. White chocolates be slapping. Yo, New York weather is crazy, bro. I don't know if it want to be cold or hot. I still got the sunglasses on because, like, sun beaming. But when you step outside the sun, it's mad cold. They're doing their thing. Power Black Watch coming soon, man. He's serious with it. But serious, boy. Yeah, two niggas on here. Yo, where my boy Richie at, man? Come out. I just peeped my boy Richie in here, bro. Y'all remember Richie from my video, selling the BMW? When I sold my old BMW to that nigga LB? And in the clip, they had like the nigga dancing. And he was washing the car. Y'all go watch that. That shit had like 60,000 views or whatever. But yo, that nigga was funny. He used to be here every day. Where my boy at? Oh well. Let me get my car washed. I see this. These chocolates. I got this for free for getting my car fixed, y'all. You see it? You pay mad bread, you get a little something out of it. Chocolates be slapping, yo.
Oh, see the Windex here?
Huh?
The Windex.
Oh.
Okay, so thank you.
Alright. What, Windex in here? Caught nothing now, y'all. That boy clean. Boy clean. Doing the armor all now. That boy clean. Look at that girl, man. Yeah, they do a nice job, man. But until then, Power Black Wash is coming soon, y'all. You know what I mean? You know how we do it, but it's the end of this episode. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna have way better content than this. This is me washing my car. I really didn't want to post this, but you know how it is. I gotta put something out there, y'all. I gotta get better with this. I be forgetting to pull out my camera. I be too much enjoying life. But here we go.